Hello, myself Nikhil Vishwas Dongre. Basically, I'm from Pune, Maharashtra. I've completed my graduation in 2023 in travel and tourism. After that, I was having interest in IT, in desktop support and networking. So one of my friend referred me to in Evision internship. So I have joined the Evision internship in 2023. And after that, after completing the course of networking and desktop and CCNA, after that, after completing the course, I started getting the call from top companies after completing the course in Evision. So now I have joined in the company from Bangalore, Alchemy Techsol, in IT in desktop support and networking. So this is because of Evision. Thank you, Evision, for giving me such opportunity. Thank you so much.